Introducing first, Switchblade!
Here we go, baby! A legacy!
Switchblade saying he's going to be killing a legacy.
Yeah, this is a brand new Switchblade.
And introducing next, he is his opponent, HellHammer.
This guy has a ton of history here. He's an XCW original. He is a machine. He is a monster. He's not human.
HellHammer's coming for business.
Awoken by disrespect from Switchblade.
Now last event, Switchblade and HellHammer did face, but that was literally a 30-second match. HellHammer came out and decimated Switchblade. Who knows what's going to happen in this match today?
Yeah, Switchblade had to have been studying tapes.
HellHammer taking the gloves off. We know what this means when he takes the gloves off. This man means serious.
Let's get it on! Really?
Ding ding ding.
I remember last time.
Switchblade. Oh, both men slapping each other. HellHammer delivering one back that brings Switchblade out of the ring. Oh! And a massive slap to the back there.
But now Switchblade's had time to study. Learn what he's in for.
Switchblade. Oh, Switchblade just gets picked up and chucked straight down to his back.
Already.
Oh!
Jackhammer.
Jackhammer! And HellHammer.
No.
No. No, not Jackhammer. And Switchblade with the low blow and a kick to the head there. Trying to turn things around. Trying to slow the animal, the beast.
Come on, HellHammer. Huh?
Now, HellHammer has always been one of the hardest guys to knock down.
Not just that, lift up. He's a beast of a man. Looks like he's... Oh, he's crushing the hand of Switchblade. Oh! And I think that might have broken Switchblade's hand there.
Now, is that arm going to be the focus of the rest of this match?
I think that's going to be Switchblade's
Put a
downfall
target
today.
on it.
Oh! What's he going in? Oh! Oh, it's stomping on that knee. I don't think Switchblade is going to be 100% after this match. I think he's going to be literally broken. Oh shit, and stepping on the hand again. But what's this? Switchblade turning around.
Calculated decimation of Switchblade.
Another low blow.
Disrespect.
Another low blow to HellHammer there. And a DDT.
Double unlocked.
And Switchblade going for the
Come on,
for the armbar. Switchblade, but no. HellHammer's not letting him.
He wants to break that arm.
HellHammer's getting out of it now. And what's this? Oh, HellHammer, no. He isn't. The ankle lock. Oh, he's locked it. He's locked in. Look at that devastating. Look how much that ankle is turning right now. That could be literally broken in two right now. Switchblade trying to turn it around. And HellHammer's... Oh! And HellHammer twisting the ankle.
The torque.
Oh! And again, twisting the ankle, snapping and cracking. Oh, and look at the angle of that ankle. And that's it, Switchblade. Switchblade has tapped. That's it, it's over. HellHammer has won.
That's 2 from 2 for HellHammer now.
Switchblade talked it up, but in the end, HellHammer was the one dominating.
Definitely moving his way up the ranks.
And what's this? It looks like HellHammer's not done yet.
HellHammer returns the favour.
Switchblade putting the hand out. Is HellHammer gonna shake? Oh, what's this? Oh, he thought he was getting respect, but no. HellHammer just slapping him in the face saying, fuck your respect. And a spear! And a beautiful spear! HellHammer showing Switchblade, he does not want his respect at all. And he ain't never gonna be getting his respect.
I'm coming up to chase.
HellHammer just said he's coming out to chase.
HellHammer, 2 from 2 with Switchblade.
And will this be Chase's fate? And Switchblade, demanding a microphone. Demanding management for a microphone right now.
Holy moly, that was a hell of a fight. Now, I got to admit, that's twice HellHammer's beaten me. I congratulate him on that. Now, I have said some harsh things about the crowd, about every viewer we got on the XCW online. I would just like to take this moment to say I'm sorry. And you guys are the reason we are here today. It's not because of Chase, it's not because of the people in the back, it's because every one of you. So never give up, guys, because you can get where you want to be as long as you believe. Take it from me, I have gone from crap to right here in XCW, one of the biggest backyard wrestling feds in Australia, if not the frickin' world. And I will admit, East Lake didn't have the balls to rock up today, fair enough. I wouldn't either if I was versing me.
You win by default.
I win, and I
Win by default.
It's understandable. But that match was a #1 contenders match. And I don't know what's going to happen. So I'd like someone to come out here and tell me what's going to happen. Because he's not here. I haven't seen him backstage. I haven't seen him anywhere. So let's find out what's going to happen.